all my nail artists out there, I'm Arian. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do the fastest full set in the world. I will show you my technique and the process that will save you time and ultimately will make you more money. So let's go, baby. Follow me. Okay, awesome. Okay, so here I got the nail already glued on. I'm getting ready to apply the acrylic. Make sure you clean up your brush, get the right ratio of liquid onto your brush, scoop the acrylic. And I like to lay the acrylic on horizontally onto the nail. Right away I push the acrylic towards the cuticle and then gently pull the acrylic towards the tip of the nail. And then here I'll use the tip of the brush to push the cuticle to the center. Okay, I'm gently using the side of the brush to push the cuticle into the center on both sides, the left and the right side. And then using the tip of the brush to get rid of the excessive acrylic. See? Nice. Okay. It's pretty simple. You just gotta keep practicing. You can do anything you want to do. You just gotta practice and stay consistent, okay? Okay, here we go again. I'll lay it on horizontally. If you're wondering what kind of size brush I'm using a size 22. Right away I use the tip of the brush to push the acrylic towards the cuticle to get it even lay into the cuticle, slowly push it down. Using gravity as a force to help me lay down the acrylic. And I use the side of the brush to push the left side and the right side to lay in the cuticle. Make sure it's on evenly, just like so. Oh yeah, and I'm using the belly of the brush right here to push down the acrylic. Also, I'm tilting the finger downward, using gravity to help me slowly, gently push the cuticle down towards the tip of the nail, and then use the tip of the brush to get rid of the excessive acrylic. I'm slowly dipping the brush back in, getting more acrylic to apply on top of the nail if necessary, if needed. You want the nail to look even and well balanced. You don't want the nail to look uneven or look like there's a hump on top of the nail or anything like that, because you will have to do more filing later on, and that will potentially will cost more time and will cost the process to go by even longer. Remember that we're trying to save time here, so we're trying to do as fast as possible so we can get it done in a timely manner. You have to eye the nail to figure out how big of a B of the amount of acrylics you want to use for this. So I eye the thumb here, and I scoop the right amount of acrylic if needed. Lay it on there. Right away I'm pushing it towards the cuticle. As you can see, I waste no time pushing it towards the cuticle. Using the side of the brush, I'm pushing the acrylic towards the center of the nail. Make sure it's even. At the same time, I'm pulling it from the top towards the front of the nail, and I'm using the tip of the nail to get rid of the excessive acrylic, just like so. Boom. Done. On to the next one. Make sure you clean your brush really well. Okay, acrylic application is complete. Here I'm filing the nails now. I like to turn the customer's hand like this, or the opposite way like that, so I can get to view the nails from the customer perspective. So that way I can get the nail to look straight. Okay guys, now it comes to drilling the nail. I like to start out by drilling around the cuticle first, just like so. And I gradually drill towards the front of the nail. Just this drilling part is really vital, but you don't have to do it much if you get the acrylic application technique down. That way you don't have to drill as much. It would save you much more time. So here I am going around the cuticle on the left side of the nail, right side. I'll go over the cuticle again. Just make sure it's even and well balanced. Make sure you look at the nail sideways so you can see how balanced the nail is and how even the nail is. Okay, it's very important to keep your hand balanced and stable as well. As you can see, I'm using, on my right hand, I'm using my pinky and my ring finger, and I'm laying it on my left hand. At the same, simultaneously, I'm holding the customer's hand with my left hand, and I'm laying, my ring finger and my pinky on my right hand. I'm laying it on the pinky on my left hand, so that way I have more stability. As you can see, I'm filing the top of the nail on the right side, left side, make sure it's even. I like to make the nail look perfect. There. Okay. Get the bottom of the nail. Okay, so I'll pass forward this part. Okay guys, as far as painting goes, you already know how to paint. This should be an easy one, but I'll just give you a tip right here on how to keep your brush well stable when you're painting, especially doing designs. Okay, well, as you can see here, I'm holding the customer's hand with my left hand. I'm holding her finger, and then I have my middle finger out on my left hand to rest my right hand on it, to keep my right hand more stable, so that way I have more stability and I could draw on a straighter line. As you can see how stable my hand is as I'm painting the paint on. This customer right here is doing the Christmas design, so I'm painting half of the tip of the nail white and the other half gold. As you can see, it's all about stability. If you can keep the hand steady, you can do a straight line. Okay, remember that. See how I'm resting my right hand on my middle finger? Okay, so I'll pass forward with this part. Okay guys, thanks for making it through the rest. Okay guys, thanks for making it through this tutorial. This is the end of it. I really hope you get some really good information out of this tutorial, and I hope you learned something. And if you're new to this my channel, consider subscribing.